Welcome to the Queen Charlotte Track app. This app is designed to help you enjoy the track to its fullest. If you look at the first section there, we can push buy a tracking pass, and on there you can buy a pass, a multi-day pass or a season pass. Some features of the app are only available if you have a valid pass. The second main part is you can enjoy the history or native birds or trees on the track. If we click on the wildlife here, we can see a photograph of various birds or insects and a little bit about those birds or insects. So there's a bit of information there. You can see at the top, you can also mark if you've seen it, if you've got a valid pass, and you can also share it on social media by pushing share. So they can go to either Facebook or LinkedIn or Twitter or whatever you like on there. So a way of showing people what you're seeing on the track. If we go to the next section, which is around the locations. This is designed to help you see what facilities are available at which location. So you can see here there's a camp chair here. So if you're walking towards the camp chair, you can click on the camp chair and it will tell you how far away that is in terms of your physical distance as well as your walking speed. So this gives you an idea of where you are and how far it is to various toilets or boats or camping areas or recreation areas. Any notifications that you've received will appear in the notification section. In the My Profile section, you can see that you can actually view your pass, and you'll need to show people the pass when you go on a boat or if you ask to see it on the track. In the coupons, once you've been on the track or once you've purchased your ticket, you're eligible for various discounts. This one here is a 10% discount on inter-islander ferry crossings. Again, you'll need the code there to bank the booking and to show people when you get onto the inter-islander. The next section there coming up is the notifications, and on the notifications you can select which things you'd like to be notified about. Is it history, wildlife, plants, your geography? And the app will notify you where you should be able to see things or what the historical points of interest may be. When those notifications have come up, they'll then appear in the notifications section. So they are the key elements of the track, of the app. We hope you enjoy the track, and I hope the app gives you some additional enjoyment of the track. Thank you very much.